Welcome to Prabhu KV's YouTube channel. I am the CEO Managing Partner of Fibocan LLP. As you know, Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, helping clients devise their investment strategies through our technology, products, solutions and innovative investment strategies. Today, January 9, 2022, this morning we had put a video on global markets. As I promised, this video is about stocks for 2022. Here we will tell 4 stocks today which will be a significant outperformer. We will not be able to give exact targets and other things, but we will be giving a broad trend indicators and levels and other things which will really be helpful in one to arrive at making the right decision, investment decision. Before we go into that, I request everyone to subscribe to my video and watch the video till the end. Number 2, encourage your known persons and friends to subscribe to my video. Technical analysis is the best thing that one can think of in terms of identifying the right entry and exit point. While fundamental gives you the good stocks, technical analysis captures the emotions and the perceptions in a very right way, and it is into the hands of the individual who does the technical analysis. With this background, market does not move on fundamentals but on the perception of fundamentals, which is technical. With that, let's go into the stock. The first stock that we are suggesting is Maruti. Maruti now closed at 7906. Maruti, why we are saying? When we say here significant up move, we are expecting an up move in this year, that is calendar year 2022, at least 10% or more. Maruti has been consolidating in the yearly chart. We read yearly chart. In the yearly chart since 2018 after its big up move. After that, Maruti, after its big fall in 2018. In this year, in the current year, Maruti has opened. Maruti now on the monthly chart is near the upper band. It is about to break the upper band at any point in time. It is also ably supported in the weekly and the daily chart. In the yearly chart, as I said, it formed a solid red candle in 2018. Then it formed a doji star kind of thing in 2019. Once again a doji in 2019, and again in 2021 a doji. This time a red doji. Now it is time for Maruti to move up significantly from these levels. In the monthly chart, when I see there, it is now touching the upper band, and in the monthly chart, the bands are moving in parallel. And what we expect in Maruti is a band squeeze. It's a delight. It's like a juicy full toss with a military medium pace bowler bowling. Like for example, Richards, how you were smashing Madan Lal. It was a military medium pace. So it is something like that, a lollipop which a batsman would love. So Maruti will go up significantly, and the next level in the monthly chart is 161.8 Fibonacci retracement, which is not even appearing in the screen. The screen maximum I can see is 11,519. Hence I expect Maruti to go up significantly in this year. Next stock is Berger Paints. Berger Paints in the yearly, in 2019, Berger Paints closed at 761.8, and in 2020 it closed at 761.8, and in 2021 it formed a doji star or a spinning top, meaning opening and closing at the same level with high and low weeks, and closed above the 2020 close and closed at 771.8. The last 2 months it has been hovering. It went down and it has been hovering, and this year it opened a gap up. At present, in the monthly chart, let us open Berger's monthly chart. Request. The monthly chart, it has opened a gap up. It is above the exponential moving average. While in the last 2 months, that is November and December, it was below the moving averages. Now it is above the moving averages. In the daily chart, it is now above the 200-day moving average at 788 levels. Earlier it was below that, and now for the last few days it was hovering around, particularly during intraday it was going below that, but on a closing basis it was closing above the 200-day moving averages, except 200 moving average, excepting on 6th of January, Thursday. Once again 7th of January it closed above the 200-day moving average. Now the next resistance point is 150-day moving average and 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, which is somewhere around 799 or 820 levels. Once it takes out, I am not able to see in the daily chart above 100, Fibonacci 100. The rates I can see is 896 or 899 or 900 levels. Still I am not able to see Fibonacci 161.8 retracement. That means it will go at least up to that level. In the monthly chart, the upward band is at 915.73. Hence, we can expect this to go up from here at least by another 120 points, which is roughly around 12 to 15%. That is what we expect in a bare minimum. Technically, these are all technical analysis, and technical analysis will fail miserably if there is an unknown. Fundamental will never give you any entry or exit point, while technical analysis gives you a fantastic entry and exit point, and it fails only on unknown scenario. The third stock in our list is Polycab. Let me open the Polycab chart. The Polycab closed at 2477.30. Polycab in 2020 closed at 1038.80. A doji in 2021 and in 2020, and a doji after a solid green candle in 2018. In 2021, let me open Polycab's. So we'll come to Polycab. Let's go to next stop, Bajaj Auto. Bajaj Auto, it closed the current year at 3392.20. In 2020, after touching a low of 1788, it closed 2020 at 344 levels. In 2021, that is last year, it formed a spinning top, bearish engulf candle, a spinning top or bearish engulf candle, closing at 3249.3 with a low of 3027.10. In the monthly chart, now it has opened above the closing. In the monthly chart, Bajaj Auto in the monthly chart, after forming a hammer type candle with a long lower wick, has now opened a gap up and is now trying to go to the middle band. It will form a morning star in the monthly chart. It is below the middle band now. In the weekly, it formed two reversals from the lower band and is moving up. In the daily chart, it is moving up beautifully. And now Fibonacci 61.8 on the daily chart is at 3655, and Fibonacci 161.8 is at 4417. Fibonacci 161.8, that is at the higher level, is at 4417. That is on the daily chart, the next key resistance for it. On the weekly Fibonacci, when I look at it, it is at 3849. In the monthly Fibonacci 61.8, it is at 3841.94. Hence, minimum of 10% up move one can expect in Bajaj Auto in this year, in this current year. Now let's go to Polycab. In the meantime, I have opened Polycab charts. Let me open the Polycab. Polycab in the year 2019 closed it closed at 1036.8 in 2020, and in 2021 it formed a solid green candle and it closed at 2466.5, touching a high of 2648. In the current year 2022, it opened a gap up and now it is above the last year's closing. Last year's high, that is 2021 high, was 2648. Now Polycab, and now there are two things that it can happen. In the monthly chart, it can shoot up in this month itself or form doji in this month, in the current month, because in the weekly chart it has formed a doji, and in the daily chart it is moving up in a sideways above the middle band. So it can happen two things. One, it can close by forming a doji in the monthly chart, which means it can close around the same levels, which means the next month also it can form a doji. If that happens, what is doji? Doji is nothing but indecision. The moment indecision is there, the second month also or second time period also, if you have an indecision, the next month when a decision is being made, the move is going to be ferocious on the direction on which it moves. Hence Polycab is in for a significant up move, because on the lower time frame, that is daily, and in the weekly, it is moving up and it is above the upper band and moving up nicely in the weekly. Hence, in the chart wise, when I look, the Polycab's 161.8 is at 2767. Fibonacci 167 is at 2767, which means from the current level 2477 to 2767, that is roughly 300 points. Further, when it is going to take that level, it is going to move above the last year's high, that is 2021 high, which is 2648. The moment 2648 is taken out, which will happen in the next 2-3 months, we can see a significant up move, and 2747 or whatever levels I told, 161.8, it can touch up to that levels and probably move even further up. Hence, these are the 4 stocks which we expect will move significantly high in this year. Of course, there are many stocks that will move up, like Bajaj Twins, HDFC Twins in this year. We will, every week we'll try to cover 4 stocks and try to give stocks that can move significantly up, stocks that one should consider, stocks one should avoid. As always, disclaimer, the objective of this video is only for training and educational purpose. Please discuss with your investment advisor before making any investment decision. Thank you very much.